Hello and welcome on how to reload your simple use Lomography camera. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at the top to make sure there is an E. That lets you know that the camera is either empty or that the film is done. Flip it over, you can either grab a pair of scissors or a knife and just cut the label. This will allow us to open up the door. Now move it to the side and you should see a little button, and we're going to slide that down to unlock the door, and inside you'll find a finished roll of film. All you've got to do is put that to the side and choose your next roll of film. We're going with Kodak Color 200, but you can choose any 35mm film you'd like. And all we're going to do is just slide that into place where the other film was. You're going to give it a little bit of a wiggle just so it slides into place, and you should see it just pop in. Now what we'll do is we'll pull some film out of the canister. Don't worry, they do have excess, so you can do this. And we're just going to slide it over the roller. Now there'll be some little teeth and there's a little crank in the bottom, and that's what we'll be using to wind the film up. So you can start spinning it anti-clockwise. If you don't feel it biting, you can use a finger just to help it catch the teeth on the roller. Then when you feel tension, keep your finger on the crank and close the lid. Now to unlock the wheel, there'll be a little button you need to push. This allows us to wind the film up, otherwise there'll be too much tension and we won't be able to. Up the top you'll see the numbers changing. That will let you know that the film is being wound up correctly. Then when you feel it won't go any further, put the crank away, and on the top right of the wheel, start spinning it, and that will slide it into its first position. And that's that. That is how you load up the Lomo simple use camera. Now what's great about this is it allows you to use different types of film with the little filters they provide on the flash, so have fun at experimenting with that. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to check out our store to see other film at photobite.uk/store. And as always, my name's Luke, this is PhotoBite, and we'll see you next time.